This is a review of the Ahawill ceiling fan with remote and light. Ahawill, spelled Ahawill, made in China and bought through Amazon. These are the instructions that you get. They're not very good. Unfortunately, there is an online video that skips the very end process of where the remote receiver goes. I read the instructions and I watched the online video, and unfortunately, the canopy that came with it is too small to store the remote receiver in it. As you can see, there's the remote receiver. There's no way it's going to fit in that canopy. I tried for a long time. I figured out there's got to be a way it goes. It does not fit in there. And it's kind of funny how if you watch the video for the Ahawill ceiling fan video, they don't really show you how that fits in the canopy. This canopy is the wrong size. I believe it came with the wrong size. However, it fit perfectly in the packaging. So yeah, anyways, avoid this. It's a bad buy. And after you spend the time installing this, or if you pay an electrician to do it, it's just not worth taking it down. And I got to fiddle around and figure out how to cover that mess up now. The remote receiver does not fit in any way inside the canopy. No matter how you play with it and try to get this cover on, it doesn't fit, and there's no way to connect it without it. Garbage. So that's it. This is way too big to fit in there. They sent the wrong size canopy. However, that fit perfectly in the little wrapping for the box. All right, once we get past the part that it came with the wrong size canopy to hide the remote receiver in, you have to use the remote for this. There's no getting around it. I have the fan on, I have the light on, just the way I would like it to come on when I throw the switch. There's the switch. Now let's turn it off. Fine. So we turn it off, the fan goes off, the light goes off. Great. Now I want the fan and the light to come on. The only thing that comes on is the light. You have to use this stinking remote every single time you operate the fan. You just can't have the fan come on. You know, what if I didn't want the light to come on and all I want is the fan to come on? Nothing's gonna come on then. Here, let's turn the light off. So the light's off. Maybe I just want the fan on. Turn it off. Fan's off, light's off. Here, I just want the fan to come on. The light comes on. I just want the stinking fan to come on. This sucks.